amp envelope, or ADSR, is the section that controls the shape of the volume of the sound. So we have attack, decay, sustain, and release. It shapes the movement of loudness over time, so how long you're pressing a key down and what happens when you let go. To get a visual representation of that, you have the attack section. When you press a key, what happens to the sound? Does it fade in slowly, or is it right at the start of when you press the key? Decay is the drop after the attack, so you may not have a drop. The sound may stay at full volume. In this case, it drops. Sustain is the held level once the decay has happened, what level that stays at while you still hold the key. And the release time is how long it takes to fade out once you've released the key. To hear that in context, in our amp envelope, I have the attack set to quite a long fade to start. So going from silence to when we hear the sound will take a little bit of time. I've got a very short decay, so we're going to hear a drop off quite sharply, because I also have a very low sustain, which means the volume of what happens, what we hear when I hold my key down, is going to be quite low. So we'll hear a pinch sound. I have a reasonably high release, so when we let go of the key, the fade out should take a little while. So let's listen. Still holding the key and letting go now. You could hear the quick decay into the sustain volume, and it rang out at the end there.